Okay, what's going on? It's cardboard racing up in here. So, as you know, you might have seen that I've bent the package a little bit, right? Because for some reason, this package likes to keep falling down, and I want to take a good picture for the what's called for the darn what is it, the thumbnail. So I had to bend it just a little bit. So yeah, no, it's all right now. But here we have Caruth or Caruth, I think that's how you say it. And then, of course, you have the cars back here, you know, the ones that you can collect from this wave, and it's like the 2023 wave. So I think I have, yeah, I practically have most of these. I could be wrong, so, but I don't have Logano, so I do have, no, I do not. That's 11. The one I have is 20. So I have some of these. But yeah, let's get into unboxing it. So I feel bad that I had to bend the package a little bit, but mind you, it was already a little bent before. That's why I had to fix it, but that's what it is. Okay. So here we have Rajah cartoon. Put your back up there and turn this down for some reason. There it is. Okay. So this is a Chevy car. Yep. Chevy truck. So front view, side view, back side view, side view, hood view. Nice decoration. Well, not decoration. Nice design. Jesus Christ, decoration. That's Christmas. And then top-down view or the truck view. And then the bottom side view. So, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, no, that's the same. So, yeah. Now let's give a race for the truck. Okay, so he likes to go left. I've noticed that. So, that's okay though. That being said, I will see you on the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay hydrated, and deuces.